of steganography, basic steganography model, steganography with encryption, then applications and advantages, disadvantages. Then the last three things are application-oriented techniques and steg analysis tools, right? These are the content today we are going to see in our class. So before going that, what is steganography? I just recalling your basic cryptography, right? You know very well about this is your plain text, right? This is your center message. Then in that, you can transfer your message. This is your receiver side. By using in between this medium, your messages are transmitted in the form of some encryption technique, right? You can apply n number of encryption techniques to transfer this message in the form of secret key communication, right? Here you are using two-way communication and you are applying your public key and private key transaction, right? If both the sender and receiver known about detail about these keys, then only your information can be reachable at the end securely, right? Then definitely the third part of the intruder known that some information and some secret message are transferring in between sender and receiver, right? So in cryptography, intruder understand that secret message is being sent, right? But in the form of steganography, in our sender and receiver transact two-way communication, but the intruder will not get to know of the existence of any secret message because the secrecy of information transferring mode are via images or text or audio or some other video format, right? So in that comprise technography is the art and science of embedding secret message in all the message such a way that no one apart from the sender and the intended recipient, right? Please, all of you, put your phone as mic mode. Your wife, please put your mic as mic mode. Who's disturbing?
Kirti Lakshmi,
Who's
please
disturbing?
mute.
Keep the
Kirti
election.
Lakshmi,
Correct. The steganography comes from the Greek word. It means that.
Hello?
Hello.
Kirti Lakshmi,
Huh? మైక్ ఆఫ్ లో పెట్టేది ఇది ఉండి పడతాం
Keep Lakshmi.
ma'am, okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Then steganography is the word from the Greek word, right? Here the word split it into two ways. First part is stegno, then ography. But stegan, the meaning of stegan is covered, right? Then graphy is that writing or drawing something. Okay. The definition of this steganography is covered or existence of some writing text or drawing some other messages. There's the practice of concealing messages or file or images within the another file, right? So according to the third party view, the information can be the sender and receiver communicating something, but there is no possibility of seeing that the hidden, what are the secret keys in between them. Alright. So main goal of our steganography is hide image messages is such that they in the form of any multimedia components, right? Nothing but our images and video, audio or text or something. So see this example picture. See, this is our carrier image. That means our original image. This image is carrying some secret messages that is called this part of encoding, right? This is the secret message we are applying to this original pic, right? So see the difference between these two cats. This is only a black cat, right? Another one is just formatting some pixel overloading cat, right? So our output is called as a stego image, right? So see the center image and receiver image, there is no difference between these two images, right? But according to center and receiver only know about some transaction key, and also they are seeing in the form of multimedia components, right? So that in single word I want to say about steganography, you are sharing your information and you are sending to some other information via that hidden off by using any components, right? So in cryptography, generally we need the data is unreadable because of by encryption. But in the steganography, we are hiding the existence of the data, right? So before seeing the techniques of steganography, at first you know that history of steganography, right? Let's moving further. Just get a glance of steganography evolved from the past. The concept of steganography was first introduced in 1499. The idea itself has existed since ancient times. There are stories of method being used in Roman Empire, whereby slave choosing to convey a secret message had it's called clean shave, right? And had their hair tattooed on their skin. When the messenger's head grown up, he would have dispatched on the secret mission. And the another end, the receivers save the messengers. Then the receivers want to read the message by using that removal of hair from their slave people, right? So this is called a secret message. This is a one way of communication, right? So in definitely steganography is not a new term, right? This is a old ancient method. But in our olden days, some kings are using this way of secret message sharing only, right? So it first recorded uses a steganography can be tracked back between 440 BC, right? When it mentioned that steganography is the historious term, right? Then after that, during the Cold War period, US and USSR wanted to hide their sensors in the enemy's facilities. These devices had to send data to their nations without being spotted, right? So these are the some example methods shown in this PPT. There is a first method is a wax tablet, right? So in that, one king want to share their secret messages by using the tablet. So inside the tablet, they are just coated by using wax covering the information, right? Then the receiver has extracted that wax and getting that original information, right? This is a one initial way of transferring information, right? And second one is invisible ink. That means some invisible ink means that some inks are constantly writing by using their paper pen, right? Then just they are tipped into some other places or they are burned paper, then only they can read that entire messages, right? You've seen so many movies, right? In the form of encryption and decryption. That is called as steganography, right? And the third one is null cipher. This is just with plain text which is mixed actual messages, right? Then the third thing of microdots, right? Recently, Facebook also using these types of picture. N number of pictures can join together, then form a new pic, right? Then the next examples for some other history of this steganography is simograms. The simograms is a typically spread spectrum oriented method. It is applied in the physics part, right? Then coming to our theory, types of steganography are classified into majorly 6 parts. Mainly it covers the 4 part, then the remaining 2 is application, right? First one text steganography, then second one image steganography, then third one audio steganography, then fourth video, right? These 4 parts are main thing because it is called as a multimedia components, right? So first one text steganography, then image steganography, audio, then video. After that, these all things are combined together, performed by transferring thing network steganography and email steganography, right? You know very well about by using that email, we are transferring these all the elements only, right? Then first types of steganography. In steganography in text called as null cipher messages because it is fully in the form of character oriented, right? That the premise for null cipher is to hide an important message with an uninteresting innocent message because it is just knowing that one text is transferring between sender and receiver. Within that text, another one secret information is sharing between sender and receiver side. Okay. So it has started with hiding information inside the text part, right? So for example, these are the common approaches in our information hiding text. So for that method, this is an important 2 mark. What are the common approaches in our text steganographic text, right? So changing the format of text, then syntax changing words, then a text within text generating random character sequences, whether it is maybe a text sentences or sequences, right? So using some sort of context using grammar inside also, then these are the approaches, right? What are the approaches to getting that hiding that text in that steganography, right? Then format based method. After that, random and statistical methods. That's it, and also generation of linguistic method. These all are oriented text based steganographical oriented, right? In that three types of coding part, live shift coding. See, this is a part of application oriented, right? In the steganography in text application oriented, then line shift coding, word shift coding, and a feature coding, right? Then line shift coding, here that lines are vertically shifted to encode the document uniquely because that character are sending in the vertical mode only, right? Then word shift coding, the words are coded into your document by shifting that horizontal location so that you can clearly understand. The text steganography can be transferred in two medium. One is vertical oriented, another one is horizontal oriented, right? Then feature coding, here certain text features are altered, but not altered on the code word, right? So the meaning of this coding, understand clearly, feature coding, only the certain text features are altered, right? Not altered on the code word. That means meaning of that particular word, right? See the example for this. This is on undecent word, right? Undecent sentence. You don't know that the meaning of the sentence. See, consider this is the biggest line is our original message, right? Apparently, neutrals protest is slowly discounted and ignored. See, this is a one sentence, right? In between this center, in this sentence, they are hiding, for example, this statement, right? How can we get this statement? By doing these three coding, right? Horizontal coding and vertical coding and code word length shifting only, they are performing like this only, right? So in the part of this, I come, for example, this, they are comparing these three coding, then they get the sentence. This is the steganographic messages in this text example, right? So in this part, text is not a lengthier part, just you know that theory part of this, there is no problem oriented transferring from your original message to secret message in this text part, right? They are say like a theory part only, right? Then in your image steganography, before going that image steganography, what are the images already, right? You know very well, all the digital images are in the form of pixels only, right? Knowing n number of pixels, that means millions of pixels joined together to frame a single image, right? These arrangement of pixels makes an produce a valid image, right? Then, for example, 8-bit and 24-bit images are common. Then the larger size in images also hide by using this images, right? Why we are using digital images? All right, what is the difference between analog images and digital images? Digital images are represented in the form of square and pixel representation, right? In analog images, the form of signal way of methoding, right? Producing the images in the part of signal transmission. So here, digital images that valid images called in our all the part of our day-to-day life. So only we are using the camera phone, right? So it is the most widely used medium being used. It has the main advantages of our visual perception, colors, and some other things. There are many programs available to for this digital images, right? Then, see, in this steganography, more importantly, in our image steganography only, right? Comparing to all other steganography. So only I've explained in each and every point detailedly in steganography in images. Here, you hear the term image compression, right? Already we know very well about the sharing of information between normal email and WhatsApp. If you are transferring one image file via your email, as the size is vary comparing to your WhatsApp, right? What happens here? Your image is compressed by using what? That just to an app, right? WhatsApp is an application. So here they are in that WhatsApp they are applied some compressed way of technique, so that image compression offers large image files. There are two kinds of image compression. One is lossless and another one is lossy compression. So lossy compression is an example for our JPEG, right? It is a frequently used format files, right? Here that offers high compression but may not maintain the original image integrity, right? Here they are maintaining the high compression but may not maintain the original image integrity, right? It is called lossy compression. Then lossless compression is a maintain the original image exactly, but it is also that having some more steganographic techniques, right? Like PMP files and zip files, right? Then, what other encoding techniques applied in this steganography? The first one is least significant bit, right? That's the important part in our theory, least significant bit insertion. Then masking and filtering. Then third one is algorithm transformation. This is a research oriented part, algorithm and transformations. Before that, least significant bit and masking and filtering is the common approaches, right? So see here, LSB algorithm is the least significant bit. Please remember this word carefully. Here it is called as a substitution method, right? So we can just adjust that bit. Already you know that you are studied very well about in your digital principles and system design. What is that MSB and LSB in your architecture also, right? So MSB is the most significant bit and LSB is the least significant bit. What is the term? Which one is right side and which one is left side? Least significant bits are right side, right? Most significant bits are left side. There's a simple approach for encoding message into the image. Then we can carry according to the number of bits it's an image, right? So for example, we'll see the sum now, so only you can understand clearly about this LSB algorithm. For 8-bit message, the least significant bit, that is that 8th bit of each byte of image is changed, right? Nothing. Simply you have to remember your last bit only you are going to be changed in this algorithm. That's enough. Whether it is 8th bit in the sense you are changing into that 0 to 7th position, right? So you are changing your 7th bit. For this 24-bit image, the colors of each component like RGB color models also you are inserted in this image steganography, right? Then LSP is an effective in using PMP images so that compression in PMP is lossless, right? So see here, this is a part of your text file consisting streams of characters. See that I just my part of file is hi all, right? So here I am giving that ASCII code value. Then I am converting this ASCII code to equivalent binary code, right? So first step, if something you are getting your text file, otherwise something you can have your text, you need to convert your text into binary, right? That is enough. Okay, maybe if you're we are that ASCII code means in your question part they'll also give your ASCII code also, right? So that's that is just an example. See this picture clearly. Here, the single picture can be divided into pixels, right? Then each pixels, I'm applying one binary, that means 8-bit code, right? So R is an single 8-bit, another G is an another 8-bit, then B is an another 8-bit, right? These three together, combine these three together called as 24 bits, right? In the previous slide I said, right? The 8-bit is a only single form of text representation. That means a single character is converted into binary form. Here I am applying this original picture. Here I am applying the color model RGB, right? This is a, see what is how you can write this binary format. I am by using getting this RGB is the color code table, right? I am getting this binary bit value from color code table, right? Then see the for example. See, you can see carefully. If you change MSB, this is our most significant bit, right? MSB. This is our least significant bit, right? See the difference. This yellow is our LSB, right? See, if you want to change in that MSB, for example, check. Consider your binary code having 8 ones, right? That 8 ones represented the value of decimal is 255. If you are going to change in your first place, what do you get? If this is 0 in the sense, you just calculate this binary value to decimal, your value is 127. So how much deviation in between this? 99.99%, right? Once again, I am repeating, if you are changing your most significant bit, that means you are given codes, for example, 8 ones, you are changing your most significant bit 0 in the sense. So definitely your value going to be changed in the drastical way, right? Because your deviation is 99.99%. See, if you are choosing any one binary value in the form of 8-bit, then you try to change that code, right? You know the difference, how much deviations in byte also, right? So the same 11 code, please see this part. The same 8-bit 11, right? Here you are going to change your LSB, right? So that 1 is changed to 0 here. You are having that deviation is only 255 to 254, right? Only one part according to a decimal point. So change in byte in the formation is some point not 2% only, right? So only we are choosing that image steganography algorithm is LSB algorithm, right? Why we are choosing our LSB? This is an important point. See that highlighted point. And if we change MSB, it have larger impact on final value. But in an LSB, it is a final value is very, very less, right? It is an important 2 mark and also justification for your part C question, right? Why we are choosing our least significant bit steganography. So comprising that, MSB is going to affect a larger final value, but your LSB won't affect your largest value, right? It is very less value only we are producing our impact value, right? Then, for example, see the sum. A is having this binary value, right? 1000000. This is a secret message, right? See, consider this is a secret message hidden in the images, right? See, already we are seeing LSB applied in the image steganography, right? So I'm transferring one image from one sender to another one receiver. In that image, I wanted to share a secret messages. Then I'm applying the secret messages into that particular images, right? So see this example. For an example, I'm giving a, what is that? 24 bits, right? 3 pixels RGB, right? Represented in 3 rows. This is called as a pixel matrix in this least significant bit steganographic calculation. So here I am giving, and I'm just taking an example for this binary word, right? See here, this 150 then 1, right? So that what is our value? This is 7 bit, right? So check here. The first element of or in this given matrix, I just want to change our last bit only, right? Then similarly, just you have to apply that. Then the last, check the next element. That element having the same position, right? So I didn't change anything. If you want, you can change your last value only. What are the values are changed in this matrix? It won't affect in your final value, or it won't changes in your maximum part of images. So you need to apply that part only, right? So check here. So I'm changing that. At first I want to change the first row, right? So here the last bit value is 0, so I'm changing here as 1, right? I want to check this. I don't want to change anything because already it's 0, right? So again I want to check the third element. What is the last position? 1, right? So here my third element is 0. So I want to, sorry, my second element is 0, right? So I want to change this. Why? This is also second element, right? But why we didn't consider? If you don't want to change major thing in an image, it is a original perfect image, right? So that original binary code, we didn't change anything, right? Then check here. These all are last value is 111, right? So here remaining 3 zeros I'm having, sorry, 4 zeros I'm having. So I want to change the second row 0. This portion also 0. Then this last portion is 0. See carefully our color changing, right? That red color denotes our secret messages. Okay. Then last this one also change into 0, right? Then final value also in this given value in this one only, right? So if you want, you conclude this part. Otherwise, if you want, you conclude this part, right? Why I am concluding here? Because there is no intermediate any value in this least significance bit, right? So I thought you are understanding clearly. Once again, repeat it shortly. If you want to change in your, if you want to apply your secret messages in your original images, then you have to give that a binary value in this pixel format matrix representation. Maybe if it is a 3, see the given bit is 7, right? Maybe if your secret message is 3, what you are doing? Just to take 2 cross 2 matrix, right? It is a 7 bit, then you are choosing that a 3 cross 3 matrix, right? Based on your given matrix, you can give your, based on your given secret message, you can choose your pixel matrix, right? So clear? Then see this. For example, I'm taking the pic from net, right? If it is not a theoretical part, just you see, this is the original image, right? This is the original image. If you want to get a accessing secret message from this image, definitely you know about that. What are the methods or what are the algorithms applied here, right? But see here, this is the original image. This is a hidden image in according to their author perspective, right? Okay. Then finally, we are moving to our advantages of LSB. Major advantages of this is a quick and easy way because we are changing to only one bit in that LSB also. Then it is a very secure way. Then user also want to know that it is the easiest way of extracting our secret messages. But in this lossless algorithm also, here there is no visual change in images, right? Then our second method in image steganography, masking and filtering. Masking and filtering is the information is hidden inside of images. You can using that digital watermarks, right? So if you want your this masking and filtering in an effective way, you can know very well about that image processing. So based on the image processing, you can do that image enhancement, then image hiding, removal, then a noisy removal, noiseless removal, moisturizing in your picture, right? These are the methods you have to apply in this masking and filtering. Then this information, you know that digital watermarks can have a lot of useful information, right? Copyright and ownership or licenses, right? The main purpose of this method is adding an attribute to cover the image. That means then extending the amount of information is presented, right? This is a simple way of just a part of definition and two marking. See, for the example, see this image. See, you know that your original message in this picture also and also your watermark is applied, right? But you don't know exactly how you can separable these two things, right? But your watermark is visible, right? So if you want to get the original picture of this example picture, you have to apply them filtering method, right? That image filtering, you can do that layer filtering, then horizontal filtering. After that, you can steps towards to that image enhancement, right? That backside image is blur mode, right? What are the things? What are the way of doing some experimental thing? You can develop and get a final images is quality oriented. This masking and filtering concludes that only thing we can get our images quality oriented, right? Then next are types of steganography in audio. See, there is no proper extraction in this steganography audio. Just you know that steganography audio environments, right? You know that signals are always represents the digital and another way of method, right? So that in this digital representation, sample quantization method and temporal sampling rate method is applied to represent our audio format, right? Then the digital representation transferring transmission medium and also transmission environment. It depends on both the medium, right? Transmission medium and vendor's transaction environment. See, medium is one part of transmission, another one is environment also another way of representation. So here it focus main thing digital to end environment. And also if you are getting some unwanted noise or unwanted audio, you can using some sampling technique to apply to get an original audio, right? So here increased or decreased resampling environment also is your representation part. Then analog transmission and resampling. Then finally low hit encoding, phase encoding. See why we are studying in that DSP paper in our engineering. We know that by applying in the steganography part and also some multimedia oriented application, right? That's only we are studying that sampling and some other encoding, decoding, then filtering techniques. Then what are the types of windowing techniques? These are all the methods applying in our steganography audio format, right? See, the apart from our theoretical part, if you are studying some topics, you have to think what are the perspective and what are the future in this particular field, right? Then our last method is steganography in videos. Here our video in the sense, see, video file format is a good thing in a steganography, right? Because it cover large amount of hidden data is very carrying very easily. Okay, because you think that in this video it includes our text and also audio, right? So that message quantity and also worthiness of this messages is very good, right? There is two classes of video steganography. One is video steganography embedding data with an uncompressed raw video, right? That means original we are having in our phone, right? What are the videos you are capturing by using your phone is an uncompressed raw video, right? Original video taken by some other devices, that is called uncompressed raw video. After that only you want to share to others or you want to share in between your friends, that is you can compress your video and send, right? You don't do any uh, particular application to compress your video. Just if you want to transfer your video by using WhatsApp or some other application oriented, your video is automatically compressed, right? So first type of classes is video steganography, embedding data with an uncompressed raw, right? Then second one, embedding video data that is directly comes under compressed video, because that automatically you're taking your video, it is directly in the form of compressed video, right? These two classes in your steganography videos, right? Then that see our block diagram of steganography. This is the main part of our theoretical oriented. This information cover medias are this carrier part is our original message. Then you can apply any technique, steganography technique. See, we are seeing the lot of techniques, right, in the form of text and text having format text and changing format text. See, what are the approaches we seen in this four types is called as steganography technique, right? LSB is one type of algorithm. Masking and filtering is another one type of algorithm. Then video method is another one type of algorithm. Then audio method is also another one type of algorithm. Then it covers that. See that if you are producing your stego key as a password, then your secret must see this is your original media, right? Whether it is multimedia, that means images or audio video, anything. This is carrier is in your input, right? Then that secret messages are applied to this carrier message. These two things are by using combine and extracting by using any steganographic technique, then finally we return stego output, right? That means your picture or your messages that can carry some hidden messages, right? Your text can carry some text messages also, or your images can carry your text messages also, right? This is called stego media, right? It is a general form of our block diagram. See in our see, if you want to know transacting something, definitely you know about some encoding and decoding. In our cryptography, it is a basic essential rule, right? Something you want to share in between these two things, you know very well about one encoding and decoding, right? So the first initial thing, this is our input. The input is carried some cover file, then secret messages. These two things are embedded in our encoder, right? Then in this form, see, X is our original file, then secret message, keys are whether it is a private key or public key deciding by two members, right? Then these two things, combination of these two things, then applying some key, then we can get the stego object, right? And then communication, we have the communication channel. You get an input from the communication channel. What is the input? Here stego object is going to given the information to the decoder, then decoder should apply this key, then get a extract secret message, correct? This is the basic steganography model. See this with the steganographic model with encryption clearly. See, this is your message. Then applying a key is called as encryption algorithm. In this encryption algorithm, you study lot of algorithm, right? Then after that, message and combination of key is called as ciphertext. Then here, our encoder is having stego key and original cover file, right? What are the information in this ciphertext? Then the output for this encoder is stego object. See the previous diagram, just an some more additional modules extracting here. Then your object is another way of receiving your information. Your object is carried by using this decoder. Then this decoder extract that ciphertext and send to that decryption algorithm. Then you studied the decryption algorithm also very well, right? So in this encryption and decryption is the user perspective, right? If you want any easiest algorithm, you can apply in this part, right? Then the applications of this information is confidential. Then our data alteration is very protected way, right? Then access control system for digital content distribution. Then media database systems is securely maintained, right? See this application oriented in the real time. Our government agencies so store documents which are very sensitive, right? In our Aadhaar card and some other things, you can have that information by using secret key, right? Then, so what type of steganography in that? Your text is transferring. In that text, you just know that format of one thing, right? It is a basic example for our cryptography, right? For getting at some credit card bill statement or some other code information, you know that key. then you open your statement. It is normal way of encryption, right? Some other thing, the in a mainly that steganography is applied in our military and security companies because our data should be secret in between two people, right? Then business people are preserving their financial documents by using this steganography. Then digital watermark, digital signature, banks and other official financial institutions. These are all the real-time application of in that steganography, right? The main part of advantages is it is difficult to detect. Only receiver can detect, right? It can be done faster with large number of software. You know that. In this main four part we are covering, right? Image steganography, then audio, video. Apart from that, in this type we are having another two types, right? One is email steganography, another one is network steganography, right? See that our network steganography is just a technique. It is embedding an information within a network. It is controlled by the protocols like TCP, UDP, and ICMP, like others, right? So, like you can hide your information in the part of TCP and UDP header part, right? In this packet, you can have your hidden information. In that field, you can have some anonymous data also. But in this packet, it can have the confusion of which one is your original and which one is your secret images, right? So, the in the receiving part of packet information, they are having some keys. Then in that receiver side, they are applying some steganographic method. They can recollect their original messages, right? In that network steganography. In your email steganography, it is not very well known type, but a way of that email contains the file with an embedded information, right? It shares by only email. That is highly complex to detect hidden data, right? So our total types is six main types, four type of steganography in this part, right? That apart from that, every topic or disadvantages is it is confidentiality if information is maintained by the algorithm, right? So that if the algorithm are known only, you can able to detect your messages. Otherwise, you are losing your information, right? Then password leakage may occur. It may leads to the unauthorized access of data. Maybe consider if an LSB having only the changes of last bit, right? So user also, if a hacker want to getting a secret images, they also tried some uh, combinational format. They can also get their secret messages, right? In sending and receiving information can also be leaked. Then it is going that wrong hands like hackers, terrorists, criminals. It may be very dangerous for all, right? Then finally, these are all the things. Then this is one part of research thing. That is pure steganography is called the process of inputting data into object, right? Without using any private keys. See that previous thing, or we are seeing that steganography is the combination of with encryption and decryption. We are seeing in our last PPT, right? Here, pure steganography is called as just you can embed your original information and your secret images, right? Or secret information. These two things are combined or embedded together. Then this produce an stego object. Then that object is extracting that original image, right? This is called as a pure steganography technique. This is a two more question. What is a pure steganography? Then stake analysis is the recent research and business opportunities. Sorry, in your job opportunities going in this field. That stake analysis is the art and science of detecting secret communication. Right. The main important aspect is defecting hidden information and disabling steganography. Okay. The process of attempting this thing is called as statistical stake analysis. Right. So this is a use of steganographic tools real time in our we'll see in our lab part, right? Stego suit and a Stego guide. It is an hide. It is an hiding secret file in image or audio file. Then these all the thing is free software and open software tools in this steganographic tools, right? Up to this today topic is over. If you have any doubt, please ask. So you can know very well about these part only, right? What are the types of steganography, right?